I am Chepximiya Siyam. I am one of 16 hereditary chiefs from the Squamish Nation, and I come from this place called Sanok. Seeing the photograph of the chiefs in 1906 when they went to England to talk to King Edward VII about our land issues, they had such an energy. Even in a photograph, I was stressed is that the reason why I'm here, we have what we have, is because of those people. The one thing that helped them live through everything, the disease and residential school and everything else that our ancestors went through, they held on to the teachings and the culture. I admired them. I admired that work. I always thought, I wish I could do that. I wish I could learn that somewhere. For me personally, I always wanted to have somewhere to tell our story because that's important. I feel so privileged to be able to work on the Squamish and Lilwat Cultural Center. The interior design and the fit up and design of the whole building, it was just an incredible experience. I like to encourage people to make a connection to this place. With weaving, it's when we talk about weaving, when we teach weaving, we talk about putting our energy into it, putting our love into it. All of these things that brings a really strong energy to the place where you are. And I think that's important. I think we have to understand that. It makes us more human. I feel like that's what weaving does. It's so beautiful to see people wearing them and knowing that that's what our ancestors did. To share what you know, that's what the elders all told us. All of us are teachers. I was really proud of what we accomplished together to be able to teach now, thousands of people. Who would have thought that, we would travel around the world and speak to people? We have to tell our own story. We have to do it. Tinoyap and Sequatal. Ayas Chaptanoyap, Chepximiya Siyam Kwashaman Sna, Tinachintla Sanak, Askahop Mishuchumeoch, Anwanaxton Swallowing.